To properly hardwire dashcam in Mercedes W213, you need to do the following. Now, mine is E220D from 2018, but it will work with probably any W213 version. So this is what I did. I checked all the other places. This one seems to be best. Now, these are not working. So this one is working, those top three. So two of them, they have some already fuses. So I use this one for the accessories. So this is the one with the yellow cable. And so that's when the car turns on. And this is for the proper parking mode. So the red cable. That black cable I connected to this thing. I needed a little spanner. It wasn't that difficult, but obviously care is necessary because there are some other cables there as well. Sorry, I can't show it well now. I hope you can see where it is. So to do this, you need to buy a proper hardwire kit, ideally from the manufacturer of the camera, the same brand, or designed for the same, for the right camera. So that's what I did. So mine comes with this black box. It's an extra controller for setting other things according to manual. So that's what you need to do. Now then, I took the cable underneath there, and then the cable went there, and I needed to carefully place it underneath the seat, and I'll show you what it looks like in the cabin. So the cable comes out here behind the seat. So it may be difficult to pull the cable through, but you need to find a way to get the cable through underneath up to here. You can drop some line, and then, as I said, this behind the seat on the side. Now the cable I have is barely long enough, so put it underneath this rubber seal here around the car here, and then easily sorry, I've got problems with the light here, with underneath here, there, underneath this rubber seal to the front up to here. Now here I needed to use kind of a tool to open this up a little bit. You don't need to take it off, just take the cable through and here, and then I pushed it there underneath. I removed this bit, so the easiest thing is to push this thing out. Be careful, don't break it, then this comes off. Then I took the cable and I installed my camera on this side. I've got another camera here that someone previously hardwired. Now this one doesn't have a parking mode, so it's been hardwired down there, which is another option. Also, it may be possible to do it here, although I'm not sure. I checked, I can't remember what I concluded, but it wasn't appropriate for my camera. So someone connected it there, the other camera, whereas my camera could only be hardwired through the boot. So again, there is another fuse box down there that didn't work either. So here we go, and I've tested it. The camera works as expected, the parking mode and the normal mode. It's all working really well. It's important to know that cameras have different parking modes. So this is a VANTRUE, so it's got 3 different parking modes, or 4. So make sure that you read the manual to understand the difference between various parking modes. If you don't have a dedicated tool like this for working with this type of parts of the car, you can use the end of the fork, the one that's rounded, not the one with prongs, or you can take a screwdriver and wrap some kind of a duct tape around this to make sure that it's not sharp, because it's not a good idea to damage those things. And obviously, remember, there is an airbag behind this. You don't want to damage the airbag or any installation there. So use soft things, you know, not sharp, blunt tools only. Now, this bit here is a bit fiddly. I don't want to show it now because I really don't want to dismantle it again. But what you might need to do is to lower the mirror first a bit to remove that bit here. Once you remove it, so basically you open it a little bit. I can't remember, I think, how I did it. So you see, I pushed it a little bit. I don't want to do it. Then you remove the whole thing together. Be careful. It's easy to break bits of this or that. And then you just find a way to put it back in. So, well, I hope it works for you. You know, it's, as I said, not that difficult. And then once you've done it, then you can obviously adjust the mirror back to the position you want. Sorry for a bit of a chaotic video. I hope that helps anyway, because I hope it was clear enough, and I'm in the car park, so I just wanted to rush, okay?